Hello everybody, my name is Shay and as you can see I suffer from really bad acne and you guys are not alone. So I know you guys have been on this acne journey with me and today, actually this past month, I've been having just really bad skin. Again, it's all coming back. Down here I am seeking a dermatologist's help. She gave me this peel treatment and I've been breaking out really bad from it, so I don't think that was working out, so I don't really know, but that'd be great to kind of show you guys that, you know, my skin, it does improve, but it's not the most amazing still. I'm still on that journey, and I thought it'd be a good day to kind of try out some foundation that has been really hyped up, you guys. This is the Alyssa Ashley collaboration with NYX Cosmetics. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation, you guys. There are 45 shades in this range. You can get it at Ulta and NYX.com. I got mine at Ulta, and I got the Can't Stop Won't Stop matte primer to go with it. So I'm super excited to test this out, you guys. Oh, as I'm throwing things, so let's go ahead and get this started. So I've got my Sigma flat kabuki brush here, and then I've got my Real Techniques beauty sponge. So I'll do one side, and I'm going to do the primer on one side as well. So there are specific instructions to follow on this box here. It says, apply evenly over skin and gently tap to set, and then complete the look with the foundation. So it even has little pictures here. It says you know, circular tap, and then you're good. So let's go ahead and try this out. I've been getting insanely oily in this area on my face. It's not the prettiest. So I think, it's got a little stopper on here. Okay, so it's a clear color. So it's a circular, and then circular, and then tap. I'm going to put it here on my pores. Circular, tap. It definitely feels like there's something on there. It's not like that smooth silicone feeling, but it definitely feels like there's something on there. So we've got that on, and I got mine in the color Vanilla. There are 45 shades in this range, like I said, and it's so amazing that there are so many. The display at Ulta is huge, you guys. It's amazing. They have everything set by warm, cool, and neutral. I'm a neutral undertone, so this is a neutral thing. Got a little pump, and this is glass. Not plastic, this be glass. So let's see. All right, a little runny, if you guys can see that. So let's start with, I guess we'll do this side with the brush so that the wet doesn't really, you know, mix with the primer in case. This is very wet feeling. It doesn't feel thick at all. So far it feels very thin, but this is supposed to be a full coverage, you know, matte foundation. I'm just going to pull it up here on the NYX or on the Ulta website. So it's supposed to be a lightweight, waterproof, and pigmented AF, it says, full coverage foundation. So delivering matte coverage and color that stays true for up to 24 hours. Okay, that's a pretty big claim. But it doesn't stop there. This foundation is non-comedogenic. It's suitable for normal, oily combination and sensitive skin types. Wow, that dried really. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is dry. I've never felt a foundation like that. It set. And there's barely any, I'm wiping it with my finger, and it's not coming off. That is crazy. I've never experienced a foundation do that before. It's set. It's definitely clinging a little bit to the dry, crusty areas. And and it doesn't look to be covering the best, like, my redness. So there it is here. It's a little bit light. A little light. I'm just trying to match it to my neck here. A little light, but the undertone looks pretty decent. So, but it's not doing the best at covering like the redness, really. I've got this huge honker, so let's see how it does with the sponge. Alright, so here's this side. I don't know what you guys think. This definitely might be pupil. I don't know, I feel like it built up a little bit better on the sponge side. Just gonna kind of go over some of the areas. Oh dear. Okay, second layer was not a good idea. This is almost like a powder, you guys. Like, I feel like setting it with a powder would be a bad idea. Ooh, going in with that second layer was not... Oh, that was not a good idea. Oh, that was a horrible idea. I don't even know how I'm gonna fix it. Blending it in with the brush is just making it worse. Okay, can you see? There we go. Look right here. What is that disaster? I don't know what to do. It's like clinging so bad. It feels like I have powder on my face. Holy crap. The reason I have those two lights on is because I can't actually see anything in like the mirror, but on camera it looks really good. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know what to do. I'm like really tempted to take this off because... Oh, this looks horrible. Look at my nose right now. Like, what is that? Oh, I can't. I don't know if it was the primer, but no, this looks terrible on my skin. Oh, this looks terrible. Oh my gosh, I can't even do the rest of my makeup because this looks so bad. It's like so like dry and clingy, but it is completely dry. Like, I don't even need powder. It's like not coming off. Oh, I had such high hopes. It's like, it feels so weird around my nose. And it feels the same way on the other side without the primer too. It's like clinging so bad. Oh no, and I feel like this would last really long because it set so well. It's clinging horribly around my nose. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna see if I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So this is either gonna be the end of the review or I'm gonna try again. Let's see.